Hey everyone, welcome to SketchUp Tutorial Nepal Part 3. In my previous lectures, I described about some commonly used basic tools in SketchUp. Today, we will be creating our first model. So, let's get started. In order to open your SketchUp, go to search and type SketchUp. SketchUp offers you series of options with units. Like for example, if you want to do in meter or centimeter or millimeter, I'm choosing architectural inches as I will be making my model in feet and inches. This is how a SketchUp window appears right after you open it. Let's make a rectangle first. Make a rectangle with the help of line tool or simply select rectangle tool. Click here, give dimensions 30 feet, comma 20 feet. Offset 9 inches. Delete this. Now let us create walls. Go to push pull, select, drag upwards, give dimensions. I'm giving 10 feet, 10 feet on your keyboard. Very good. From midpoint, up arrow key. Let us go 5 feet upwards. Go 2 feet from here. 2 feet on your keyboard. I've made a. Let's post this. Let's create group again. Click on the object 3 times. Right click, make group. Control C, Control V, S, pull it, move, just reduce the scale. ESC. Our roof is ready. Reference line from here, 3 feet, 3 feet, 2 feet, sea level, interlevel at 7 feet. I'm trying to make a corner window as I am very much obsessed with corner windows. You can also push this way. Eight feet. 1 feet from here. 1 feet from here. 2 feet from here. So level, interlevel at 7 feet. Delete this. Reference line 7 feet. Make a door over here. Click on the object and then push it again. Can take reference from this point. Let us make another window over here and another window here. Push again. Delete the reference line. Delete. Hello everyone! Since the tutorial is getting longer, it might be boring. So I'm planning to end this part here. I will cover the remaining portion of this tutorial in another video. We will be learning about components and paint pocket tool in another part. And we will also complete this house. If you're watching till now, thank you. I hope this video was helpful.